Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig review from Nadula Hair. First, I'm going to go ahead and unbox. They sent over some wig caps, a baby hair wrap, and also other things like eyelashes and more wig caps and things of that such. So it does come with the updated adjustable strap, you guys, and I'm just showing you guys basically like how you can adjust it to make it shorter so that you can make your wig tighter. For me, I never use the additional adjustable straps because I don't like it to be too tight on my head. So I always take them out. So with this hair review today, I did not use it. I did, again, take it out. So to go ahead and start with the specs of this wig unit, this is a 24-inch Kinky straight textured wig unit. It is a 5x5 HD lace closure. So HD lace is the best lace on the market, you guys. I always say if you are going to purchase a wig, make sure that it's HD lace because it would melt into your skin, and it's also thin as well, and it goes with everyone's skin tone. So if you guys are interested, they do offer free returns or exchanges services within 30 days. So let's go ahead and get into my install. Today, I'm very much giving you guys like a simple Kinky straight wig unit look. I didn't want to put any like curls to it or anything like that. Since this was a closure, I just wanted to just be really simple today. So although it's simple, it's also a lot of hair, you guys. So it did take me some time to get this hair tamed down a little. So, you know, with Kinky straight hair, you guys, you're definitely going to have to use your flat irons on high heat. I am using my comb to flatten the top, and so I can get it as flat as possible, you guys, because again, it was very full. Like, Kinky straight wigs are so full, you guys. It's a lot. So I'm just pretty much prepping my hair, and I'm plucking the hairline so that, you know, I can get a natural hair look. Again, I was really being very simple with this wig unit. So what you guys see is pretty much like what you would get with your wig unit, you guys. I didn't really manipulate the hair except for put heat to it. So let me know what you guys think of the look. Again, it's really natural, you guys. It can very much mimic our hair, you know, blown out and things of that such. So let me know what you guys think.